2 ways to add multiple videos to Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you 2 ways to add multiple videos to your Instagram story. First, open Instagram on your phone. Once you're in, swipe right to open your Instagram story. Now I'll select 2 or 3 videos from my camera roll to add to my Instagram story. But then, Instagram does not offer an option where you can combine these 2 videos in one single story. It will be posted as different stories. So, if you want to post this as a single story, we are going to edit the video using CapCut. Leave the Instagram app and open your CapCut. Tap on the New Project button and add the first video. Now we have to change the aspect ratio. Click on Ratio and then select 9:16. Once done, click on Overlay and add the second video. Resize this however you want so that both videos may be seen on your story. When you're good and satisfied, you may export this and add it to your Instagram story. And that's it! You have now successfully added multiple videos to your Instagram story. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!